We are here at Kokapet, Hyderabad, and behind me is this beautiful lake. And 10 minutes from here is a premium residential project by Prestige that we are going to go check out. Welcome to Prestige Claremont. Now let's head over there and see what the project has to offer. This is the miniature of the project, built on a 7.5-acre land parcel. It comes with 4 towers with a total of 928 units. Now the structure of the tower is 2 basement, 4 podium parking, G plus 38 floors. While tower 1 and 4 comes with 3 and 3.5 BHK, tower 2 and 3 comes with 3.5 and 4 BHK. Now let's talk about the clubhouse that is here in the center, that is massively spread across 60,000 square feet. And it has amenities like gym, yoga space, guest rooms, a theater. You also have indoor stadiums and ATM, a supermarket, also a pharmacy as well. Now surrounding here you see is the courtyard that also has a swimming pool over here. Now let me tell you that the cars do not have access to drive around this park over here. Moving on, let me explain you about the outdoor amenities. Here is the main entrance. Here is a cricket pitch. You have a multi-purpose court. You have an open space. You can use it as a lawn. There's a pet park also. Here is a basketball court, a kids play area again, an open gym. There's a jogging track. You also get a skating rink, and there's so much more amenities over here. Now let me show you what a 4 BHK model flat looks like. As you walk in, this is the living area. Notice how spacious and wide it is. There's enough room for it to be set up in so many ways. Whether you want a cozy family gathering or a formal setup, it adapts beautifully. Now, another thing you're going to notice when you walk in is this impressive 11.2 feet ceiling height. It instantly makes the space look grand. Now, right next to the living is the dining space. It's lit, it's elegant, a perfect place for you to have your breakfast or even host dinners with your friends. Now, you not only get a formal living room, but you also get an informal living room. This is much more of a relaxed space. A space where you can unwind with your family, host a movie night. And from here, you step into this balcony. It's wide, it's bright in here, and it also gives privacy. Sipping your morning coffee or unwinding your day in the evening with this view might be on your favorite thing. Now, this balcony is also connected to the first bedroom, which is right next to the informal living room. Here is the first bedroom. With its high ceiling and this balcony view, it instantly makes the space look bright and warm and welcoming. And towards my right is the primary bedroom. It is not only spacious, but it's going to be well lit throughout the day because of these huge windows. It also comes with an attached washroom and a walk-in wardrobe. And over here is the third bedroom that can also be used as a kid's room. Now every room in here is spacious, comforting, and it gives you privacy. And on my left-hand side is the fourth bedroom. Now you can use this as a guest bedroom as well. All the rooms are spacious and it is perfect for a big family. Now between the third and the fourth bedroom, in the middle, you have a common washroom that is conveniently tucked in the center. Now right next to the dining, you also get this little dedicated space. You can use it as a puja space or a space for your art collection. Now moving further is the kitchen. Now what I like about this is it has so many storage and workstations. There's also a utility space right beside it. It is neatly tucked away. You also get a maid's room right outside the utility space, which is accessible through here. Now, let me sum up the entire project details in one go. Come. Spread across 7.5 acres of land parcel, 4 towers and a total of 928 units. A 60,000 square feet clubhouse with 15 plus amenities in total. The project is offering 3, 3.5 and 4 BHKs. The 3.5 BHKs are measuring at 2,710 square feet to 2,860 square feet, while the 4 BHKs measures at 2,838 square feet to 4,060 square feet. Now, here's the catch. The 3 BHKs, they're already sold out. So now is the right time for you to grab the offer if you're interested in the 3.5 and 4 BHK. Prices starting at 3.6 CR with a flexible 20/80 payment plan. If you want more details of the project, then contact Address Advisors and I will see you in the next video.